Hello. In this video, we'll be covering the different embeddable enhancements available to you for your Mosaic project. On the left-hand side of the page, we have a list of the available enhancements, and on the right-hand side of the page, we have some visual examples to showcase how these look on your Mosaic. Below those, we have some example links that showcase what your Mosaic would look like with and without these enhancements. Starting off, we have our white label option. Selecting this option will remove the Picture Mosaic's logo that is found in the bottom right-hand corner of your Mosaic. Our example here showcases what your Mosaic will look like if you do not select the white label option. On screen, we have our pop-out animation. While users are not interacting with your Mosaic, this animation feature will cycle through photos within the Mosaic. There are a lot of options to configure how the animation looks, and you can do that here through the drop-down menu. Our double-click feature will allow users to double-click or double-tap on an image while exploring the Mosaic. Doing so will bring up an enlarged version of that photo. Here, we can see an example of the double-click feature. The Click and Learn feature will display information related to the photo while exploring the Mosaic. On screen, you can see an example of our Click and Learn feature. Our search feature will create a search bar overlay which will allow users to search your Mosaic. You can select the terms users can search through the drop-down menu here. On screen, you can see a visual example of the search feature. The Add Photo Overlay button will create a submission flow overlay on your Mosaic. If you need to change or add a submission flow, you can do so here. We've covered the different submission flows and how to configure them in previous videos. If you need a refresher on how to do that, you can find a link to those videos in the description below. Now, let's take a look at an example showcasing this feature. Our Insta-Add feature provides the user with an animation showing their photo being added into the Mosaic. In this example, the user has just completed their submission flow. Once the user closes this window down, they'll see their photo animate into the Mosaic and then zoom in on that photo. These photos won't be initially added to the Mosaic until the next scheduled Mosaic update or are approved through the moderation tool. Once you've made your enhancement selections, you'll copy the Iframe embed code here at the bottom of the page.